Build your AI business in 2025. What if you could launch an entire business with no team, no coding, just AI tools doing the heavy lifting? In 2025, freelancers and solopreneurs are using smart AI automation to make real money, fast and efficiently. Ready to build your own online business with free and low-cost AI tools? Let's dive into the exact blueprint. Step 1. Find a profitable niche using AI market research tools like ChatGPT, 4 or Google Gemini. Validate your niche ideas by checking demand with keyword everywhere or exploding topics. Know what people really want. Step 2. Build your brand with AI, generate names with Namelix, logos with Loca or Logo AI, and catchy messaging with Copy.AI. Step 3. Build a no-code website using Durable.co or 10web.io. They generate landing pages and product copy instantly. If you're offering digital services, use Notion as your back end to manage clients and content effortlessly. Step 4. Create your product with AI. Write ebooks or course outlines using ChatGPT quickly and easily. Turn blog text into animated video courses with Steve.AI, making learning fun and professional without filming. Sell your products effortlessly on Gumroad or PayHip, or directly from your AI-built website for total control. Step 5. Automate your marketing. Schedule posts with Ocoya or Publer to stay active and grow your reach effortlessly. Boost SEO with Surfer SEO combined with ChatGPT to craft blogs that rank and attract organic traffic on autopilot. Automate email funnels using Mailchimp and Flowrite. Set it once and watch your list grow and sales flow in. Step 6. Scale your business with AI chatbots that handle customer service, upsells, and support 24/7 automatically. For the pros, use AutoGPT or AgentGPT to create autonomous agents that find leads, send emails, and track trends for you. With these AI tools, you're fully equipped to run a solo business from idea to income seamlessly. The smartest entrepreneurs in 2025 aren't working harder, they're automating smarter. You now have the full roadmap to build and grow your own AI-powered business from scratch. No experience needed. Craving more walkthroughs and tool tutorials? Hit subscribe to ThinkSync and let's build the future one AI at a time. What kind of business do you want to start using AI? Drop your ideas in the comments. Let's spark the conversation.